What's going on, y'all? We're back with another video. So guys, today's the day. I've been telling y'all, I've been wanting something different, and it's a sad day. We about to get rid of Kitty. Kitty's gonna be gone, y'all. I know I made quite a few videos a couple months ago that I was gonna get rid of it, and I didn't know what I wanted. M4, M3, M5, Trackhawk, maybe another Hellcat, Red Eye, Jailbreak. I don't know what. Z06. It was a lot of options, but today's the day. We're gonna go to the dealership, and we're gonna bring something new to the platform, something fast, something that I think y'all gonna like and y'all gonna love. So y'all stick with me, y'all, and we're gonna go to the dealership. I don't want to tell y'all right now what I got. I posted it, so if you didn't see it, I mean, that's good, but we're gonna go and y'all gonna love this car, I promise you. Let's do it. We made it to the dealership, y'all. So I tried to get the car wash, honestly. The drive-through car wash that I went through, it was broken, so I didn't get a car wash. It looked dirty. I don't know if y'all can see it in the camera, but it is what it is. A car wash ain't gonna kill the trade-in. It's not gonna kill it. But we at the dealership right now. It's like 8:45 in the morning. We're about to walk in there and see what's going on, see what they got for us. So I hope y'all excited, because I'm excited. Who's not gonna be excited to actually, driving off with a new car today? Oh, we made it, y'all. What y'all think I'm about to get? We got C8. What y'all think? I'm gonna get this. Got a Hellcat, another Hellcat. I like this color. Oh, this one is sold already. What's this right here? Another Hellcat, another Hellcat. Just regular Hellcats. What y'all think, man? What y'all think I'm about to get? Let me know, man. What do y'all think I'm about to get, y'all? Got a trackie right here. Y'all think I'm gonna get this trackie? This shit beautiful. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think? It's beautiful. So we made it to the dealership, y'all. So what do y'all think I'm gonna get? TRX, right? We got a Hellcat over here. Narrow body. What y'all think? Y'all think I'm gonna get this Hellcat right here? That shit nice though. Yes, sir. Or I'm gonna get this Hellcat right here. What y'all think? Y'all like this color? Nah. Hellcat Durango. I don't really care for them Hellcat Durangos. How much they want for this? 100K. Or I'm gonna get this. This shit is hard. What y'all think? This shit is hard, man. Y'all think I'm gonna get this? Y'all think I should get this? Or y'all think I'm gonna get this? What y'all think? I don't know, man. What y'all think? Y'all think this is it right here? Y'all think I should get a Hellcat? Red eye. Oh, I should just get a trackie. What y'all think, man? This shit nice though. Sheesh. So we did the transfers with the tag. Very easy process, man. Good credit. You guys gotta have good credit, man. About to get the stuff out of my car and call it a day. What's going on, y'all? So y'all see that I got the trackie I sold. Got the track right here. Yes, sir. So what y'all think? Y'all think that was a good trade? That was a good move or what? You know what I mean? Leave y'all comments in the bottom. Let me know what y'all think, y'all. If I should have kept the Hellcat, or if it's a good move that I did to get the track off. I love y'all, and I see y'all in a lot of videos.